Welcome back to ECOSTRESS tutorials. This tutorial will teach you how to create a study area shapefile in QGIS. A shapefile is a type of vector data format that can be used to store geographic information. We can use it to define our study area. This is helpful because we can use it to download ECOSTRESS data either from Appears or Earth Data Search. For this tutorial, we're going to look at the Salton Sea. Make sure you have a QGIS project open with a base map on. We're going to use the zoom feature to zoom into the Salton Sea, which is in Southern California. Now, let's create a new layer for our shapefile. At the top of your screen, select Layer, Create Layer, and New Shapefile Layer. Alternatively, you can press this icon here to create a new shapefile layer. This new window will appear. First, name your file. Then click these three dots, which will open this Finder window. Here you can decide where your file will be saved to. I'm going to save it to my documents and create a new folder. Click Save. Now we can select the geometry type. Use this drop-down and select from one of these options. Because we are looking at a specific area, we're going to choose polygon. Next, we have to decide the coordinate reference system for our new layer. You can select this drop-down and choose one of these options. Alternatively, you can select this icon, which will make this pop-up window appear. Here, you can search for different coordinate reference systems and select them from the options available. Once you have selected one, you can click OK. For now, I'm going to use the default. Once your options are set, click OK. You will now see a new shapefile layer under the Layers tab. Make sure it is toggled on. Now, let's go up to our editing tools. Use this toggle editing tool, which looks like a yellow pencil, to toggle on or off your editing tools. You'll notice when you click it, more tools appear for us to use. If you click it again, those tools are disabled. Let's toggle this on so we have access to our editing tools. Now, let's begin drawing our polygon. This process is called digitizing. Select the green polygon icon to add a polygon feature. Your mouse will now become a circular crosshair. Now you can digitize your area of interest by clicking to add points around the edges. The lines are straight, so you can add more points to create more precision. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out as needed. If you make a mistake, don't worry, points can be edited later. When you have finished outlining your area of interest, right-click on your mouse or trackpad. This will close the polygon. A new window will appear prompting you to give your polygon a feature ID. For now, we can leave it null because we only have one polygon. But if you're making multiple polygons, you may want to number them. Click OK. Now your polygon should appear filled in on the map. Now, if there are any points you messed up on and would like to fix, select the Vertex tool to edit them. To move a vertex, click on it to select it, and then click on the new location you would like to move it to. When you're happy with the polygon, select the Save Layer Edits button. Now you have a polygon shapefile of your study area. Make sure to save your project before closing. Thank you for watching this ECOSTRESS tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more trainings, tutorials, and information, including a written version of this tutorial, go to ecostress.jpl.nasa.gov/documents, which will be linked in the description.